Hi, my name is Muhammad RIFQI bin Muhammad NORDIN and our group member ATHIRAH SYAFIQAH binti Muhammad ZAMAN and FATIMAH HUSNA binti RAMLI. Today we are going to present our report regarding application of ordinary differential equation. So let's get started. So before we start, let me show you our group members. Most of our daily life use the application of mathematics. Same goes to the temperature of an object, especially in calculating heat loss. In our daily life, we also use the mathematical calculation like how AMIR faced. So, this is the problem statement that we have now. Ahmad pour a cup of tea with an initial temperature of tea is 96 Celsius in a room with a temperature of 23 Celsius. 3 minutes later, the temperature of tea is 50 Celsius. So, the question is, how long will it take to cool to 40 Celsius? B. What is the temperature of tea after 10 minutes?
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is FATIMAH HUSNA binti RAMLI. Now we move to formula of model and method of solution. What is temperature? Temperature is a measurement for hotness or coolness. Temperature known as intensive property or independent quantity. How to measure temperature? Basically, we measure temperature using thermometer. How temperature can be high or low? Temperature can be high when object receive heat and cool when it reduce heat. The process of cooling and warming influenced by ambient temperature. Newton's law of cooling or warming says the temperature of a body changes at a rate proportional to the difference in temperature between the body and its surrounding. Newton's empirical law of cooling or warming uses linear first-order differential equation as stated there. K is a constant of proportionality. Function of T is the temperature of the object for T more than 0 and Ts is the ambient for temperature. How to solve problem for cooling or warming? First, list out all of value for each term. For example, value for ambient temperature, initial value for time and temperature. The reason why we need to list out these values to ease and clear about the problem stated. Second, integrate both sides and solve for function of T with the formula stated here. The result always be ln T minus temperature of ambient equal to KT plus constant. After we solve the equation, we get the function of T at the third step. Find the value of C to create complete equation using that formula. Then, solve the problem given using the time or temperature or both value are given.
Hi, I am ATHIRAH SYAFIQAH. I will conduct for a solution result. Before we go through the calculations, I will read again the problem statement. Ahmad poured a cup of tea with an initial temperature is 96 degrees Celsius in a room with a temperature of 23 degrees Celsius. 3 minutes later, the temperature of tea is 50 degrees Celsius. So the questions are, how long will it take to cool to 40 degrees Celsius, and what is the temperature of tea after 10 minutes? From the sentence highlighted with purple color, we get first information where T0 equal to 96 for initial value. Sentence with yellow color, we get Ts equal to 23 where Ts is ambient temperature, and sentence with turquoise color, T3 equal to 50 where 50 is referred to temperature of tea after 3 minutes. For question A, they want us to find time consuming for tea to get the temperature for tea, Tt equal to 40. For question B, they want us to find temperature of tea after 10 minutes, where T 10. After we get these 3 items, we can proceed to the calculations. Question A. Before start the calculations, first step, we model it based on the information given to get T bracket T by using D uppercase T over D lowercase t equal to K bracket T uppercase minus Ts bracket equations. So here is how we model it by using the equation just now to get Tt. We enter any information that we can replace such as Ts, then equalize position uppercase T with uppercase T until we get like this. Then find Tt by integrate the equations until get Tt equal to 23 plus C exponent power of Kt. But we don't have value for C and K. By using initial value, T0 equal to 96, we can find value for C where we can substitute value of T equal to 0 in the equation Tt and equate to 96. So we get C equal to 73 and Tt equal to 23 plus 73 exponent power of Kt. Next, we can find value for K by substitute value from T3 equal to 50 in the latest equation. Calculate, then we get K equal to negative 0.33154. Substitute in the equation, we get Tt equal to 23 plus 73 exponent power of negative 0.33145t. After we get complete equation, we can proceed to the question. Tt equal to 40 by equaling Tt to 40. Then find T, and yes, we get T equal to 4.3953 minutes. Next, for question B, we need to find what temperature of tea will be after 10 minutes, which is T10. But we need to minus 3 because 10 minutes of waiting to make tea cool include the first 3 minutes before, where the sentence says 3 minutes later, the temperature of tea is 50 degrees Celsius. Therefore, 10 minus 3 equal to 7. So we need to find T7. By using Tt equation we got before, 23 plus 73 exponent power of negative 0.33154t, we just need to substitute value T with 7. Calculate, then get the temperature is 30.1684 degrees Celsius.
The conclusion that we can conclude from this problem statement, Ahmad need to wait 4.3953 minutes to get the 40 Celsius temperature of the tea. If he wants to drink the tea, he needs to wait another 7 minutes in order to the tea to be cooled down at the temperature of 30.17 Celsius. That's all from our group members. Thank you and bye-bye.